So your client, whether you are a financial advisor, insurance broker, or a CPA, they finally signed their trust. They took your advice, they worked with a great lawyer, and they have the signed document. You know that signing the trust is not the finish line. And you know that a great advisor is going to ask the client not just whether they have a trust, but whether that trust is going to work. Funding and maintenance are absolutely critical. Here at Fonte Law, every client receives a funding and maintenance meeting where we invite the client's financial advisor. We're going to review every single asset. We're going to go line by line by line by line, make a title change, make a beneficiary designation change. What are we doing with bank accounts, brokerage accounts? What about the real estate? We do the real estate in California. What about RSUs, equity stakes, angel investments? Let's confirm that the beneficiary and the transfer on death designations are correct. And we like to coordinate that directly with the financial advisor. With the client's permission, we will send the financial advisor, the CPA, and the insurance brokers a copy of the certification of trust. And we also send detailed instructions on trust funding to the CPA and also to the financial advisor. And it doesn't end there. Then we're chasing our clients around. We're sending them an annual reminder. Please look at your physical binder. Look inside. Look at the list of people that you've named in your documents. It's all on one page. There's one beautiful list. How is everybody doing? Did anybody run away to Fiji? Did anybody marry somebody that you don't trust, right? Is there a reason to change any of your agents and successors? Take a look at your stuff. All your stuff is listed in one document. The trust assets and the other assets. It's all listed there. And anything changed, anything give you that uh-oh feeling? We really do encourage our clients to coordinate with their financial advisors whenever assets or circumstances change. My name is Patricia DeFonte, and I'm the founder of Fonte Law, where we practice estate planning with heart. We work with clients all over California on Zoom. This is our YouTube channel. It is gorgeous, and we hope that you will click, like, and subscribe.